Alright guys, what if I were to tell you that it would take you approximately one entire length of a football field to walk just to burn off one M&M? You probably wouldn't be eating a whole bag of those now, would you? Because you've got to do lap after lap after lap just to burn that off. And that's what we're doing here at Andy Served It. We're trying to help people understand this idea and the relationship they have with food. When you see someone cooking with high butters, when you see someone cooking with a lot of sugar, how long is that going to take you to get rid of before it turns into fat? How are we going to use this energy source as a way to be healthy? If not, a lot of these foods that we do consume turns into fat.
Holy, that's actually really good. Like, no cap, that's actually really good. I don't even mean to say, like, I'm as good as I am, but I'm not good.